Naranasan mo na bang magkaroon ng maskne? Well, you are not alone. That's why the Beyond Style team researched some tips on how you can avoid the acne that comes from wearing face masks. These days, kasama na talaga sa daily uniform natin ang mga face masks. And, while they are important to prevent us from catching COVID-19, may side effect ito. We sometimes get the dreaded acne flare-up sa lower part ng mukha natin, especially sa may jawline. So, if you're looking for a solution to get rid of maskne, we've got you covered.
Always wear a clean mask. Fresh, clean masks will help you prevent cross-contamination na posibleng mangyari kapag nahawakan mo ang isang face mask na na-expose na sa droplets mula sa ibang tao. Pero maliban sa protection mula sa virus, wearing fresh masks daily will also help keep your skin clean and healthy. If you wear disposable masks, it's ideal you change them daily or even change them throughout the day. If you're using a fabric mask naman, make sure you wash it daily by hand or in a washing machine. Yung mga oil and dirt kasi na natatrap sa mga mask na ito pwedeng magresulta sa acne breakout. Wash your face first. Pero hindi lang dapat ang mask ang malinis. It's also important that you clean your face first before you wear your face mask. Para mabawasan ang dirt na pwedeng matrap sa loob ng mask, rinse your face with lukewarm water, not only once but regularly. You also have the option to clean your face several times throughout the day. You can do this by gently wiping your skin with a facial wipe to reduce the amount of oil and dirt under your mask. Also, to keep your face clean, avoid touching it. Mahirap i-control ang sarili from touching our face because often, we do it mindlessly. Pero when we touch our faces, tinatransfer natin ang dirt at oil mula sa mga kamay natin sa mukha. So hands off muna tayo sa mga mukha natin. Moisturize your skin. This goes without saying. Even during the old normal, keeping your facial skin hydrated is critical in maintaining soft and smooth skin. Nagiging dry din ang skin natin because there's not enough air circulation when we wear face masks. But a good quality moisturizer can reduce dryness. Not only that, it will also act as a barrier to reduce friction caused by your mask na nagiging sanhi naman ng breakout. Experts recommend using a lightweight moisturizer na merong hyaluronic acid. Skip the makeup. Kahit na nagsusuot tayo ng face mask, we still want to look and feel good. But did you know all that makeup underneath your mask clogs your pores, which can lead to acne? Nadudumihan din ng makeup products ang fabric ng mask natin. So for now, while face masks are part of our outfits, let's skip the makeup to protect our skin. But in the event na kailangan talaga nating mag-makeup, even when wearing a face mask, use makeup products na labeled non-comedogenic. These products will not clog your pores.
I am Nicolette Henson-Hizon. Join us daily here and on our official Facebook account, CLTV36, and YouTube account, CLTV36 Official, as we give you tips to live every day beyond style.